Today we're going to learn how to take these items and turn them into this. Once you've found a safe shelter location, we're going to go ahead and attach our ridge line to the height that we want it, just like that. Once we've got a ridge line where we want it, we're going to attach our tarp to that ridge line, and we're going to put a bite up through our grommet like that. And then what we're going to do is we are going to tie a girth hitch like that, insert a toggle, pull it tight. And the reason I use a girth hitch on this first toggle is it holds the tarp in place on the line. For our second attachment point, we're going to take a bite, insert it up through our grommet like that, and then stick a toggle in and pull tight. Now, one little trick that I show my students is I will roll this toggle to get any slack out of my line so I can have a nice tight ridge line. Now we're going to stake our tarp out, and I have a link up at the top of the page here for you to see exactly how I'm tying these stakes out. Nice simple method, very easy to learn. And there's one, and now we'll stake out the rest of them. All right, we've got her all staked out now. Got all 4 stakes put in, pop over the top here. Now, a couple final thoughts here for you. When I stake this in, I usually go at a 45-degree angle. That helps me have a nice tight tarp. And sometimes you're gonna have to play with it as well. So there you go. That's how you build a simple A-frame shelter.